Open the looper cover. Push the cover to the right and pull cover down toward you. Fully extend the thread guide holder. Place thread over the cone adapters on the spool pins. Threading the upper looper. Pass thread from back to the front through the thread guide. Pulling the thread downward until it slips under thread guide. Pass it between the tension discs. Thread the looper area of the machine following the red color-coded thread guides. Thread the hole in the upper looper from front to back. Raise the presser foot. Pull about 10 centimeters 4 inches of thread and place to the back of the throat plate. Threading the lower looper. Pass thread from back to the front through the thread guide. Pulling the thread downward until it slips under thread guide. Pass it between the tension discs. Thread the looper area of the machine following the yellow color-coded thread guides. Pass the thread behind and over the top end of left looper. Then pull it downward gently so that it will slip into the slot in the looper. Pass the thread through the hole in the end of the looper. Pull about 10 centimeters 4 inches of thread under the presser foot. Threading the right needle. Pass the thread through upper thread path. Thread the eye of the right needle. Threading the left needle. Pass the thread through lower thread path. Thread the eye of the left needle. Draw about 10 centimeters and place the thread under the presser foot. Lower the presser foot. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch. The initial thread tension parameter for this unit is preset to 3. This setting can be modified according to the requirements of the application. The smaller the number, the greater the thread tension. The larger the number, the smaller the thread tension. Turn the hand wheel towards you 2 or 3 complete turns to start the thread chain. Place fabric on the feed dogs in front of the foot, start sewing. To end a seam, cut the thread. The stitch length dial should be set on the 3 mm setting for most sewing conditions. The smaller the number, the shorter the stitch. The larger the number, the longer the stitch. Over-edge seam width can be achieved by repositioning the needle position and also with the width adjustment knob. Increase the seam width. Narrowing the seam width. Over-edge seam width can be adjustable by changing the needle position. Turn off the machine before installing the spreader. Cut the red and blue line, and take it out. Installing the spreader. Insert the point in the hole of the upper looper. Lower the presser foot. Release the needle set screw and remove the left needle. Turn on the overlock machine. Cut the green line, and take it out. Install the left needle and remove the right needle. Threading the left needle. Turn off the machine before cleaning. Clean the lint from the looper and knife area often with a dry lint brush. Use sewing machine oil in the following positions.